Really, so leave me alone. Look how your fingernail them. Look how your fingernail them long. You talk about godly woman. Look how your fingernail them long. What you do with them long finger?
That have nothing to do with your heart.
Right, so me better not sell me jewelry now, nothing to do with my art. Remember that?
And the little things you do, how you do it?
How me do what?
How you bend down.
How me bend down? How me bend down? Nothing wrong with how me bend down. Me bend down, come me bend down. I serve the woman, you come and complain how me bend down. How me supposed to bend down? Me not bend down like a lady.
No.
Me bend down like a man.
Something similar.
Me bend down like a man. Well, that's good. At least me not bend down like a freaking woman. Right? This is me similar. You have a problem with how me bend down. How you bend down?
Always bend like a lady.
You always bend like a lady. That's your finger so long. Cock bend your back like a lady.
You're supposed to bend like a lady.
But you bend like a lady. Me tired of bend. Me not bend no more. Don't go bend me bend for Jesus Christ. You can't go and bend the long nails them. Go and bend over all and put the post and make the man bend. You're not going to bend me.
Them nails have been on since 1984 till now.
1984? Well, God said when you come to me, you need to make kind of garments there. You don't need those garments. No, you don't need that. Where you do them big old long fingernail, a big old man like you're supposed to read the Bible. You dress like them like a teenager girl with this big old long finger like you're going to masturbate yourself with it. Come on.
Is that right?
Them long like them freaking vibrator. Look at them damn nails. They look like vibrator like you're sexing yourself with them. And I tell me how me bend over. How you bend over sit down upon them nails? How you bend over sit down upon them nails?
When you sit up on them, love.
Huh?
I don't sit on them.
Well, when you see me bend over next time, don't complain on me bend over.
Of course I will.
Don't complain on me bend over. Why?
Okay, bend over like a lady. Regardless what you do. It's not the things you do. It's how you
Me have on tights and make me clothes. Strap up much clothes. Me bend down so I serve the woman. What me do wrong? Why when me bend down you find me sexy? You don't want to eat the pom-pom when me bend over?
What is that?
The pom-pom between my legs. You don't want to lick it?
Is that a new drink?
Huh? That's the pom-pom drink in your hand where you drink. I didn't know drink. When I see somebody bend over, don't mess with them because I don't know who is who. I don't know how they might react. I serve my customer for years.
Always act as a lady. Don't care what it is.
I am a lady. Listen, I am a lady. I mean, come knock me, come tell me, not act like a blood clot lady. You have no right to tell me that. I'm a lady. Lady, you don't even know me. Lady, you don't even know me. You have a blessed life because you don't even know me. You must be careful how you talk. With this damn long old fingernail for your hand. Look like your shit must itch up in your fingernail when you shit and wipe your body. It must full up in your nail. That's nasty. Where you do them big old long? Where you do them big old long nail for? You're a nice woman. Where you do the big old long nail for? Why?
The bus coming, I got to go.
Got to go. But when you see me next time, don't mess with me. And when you see, you want to mess with me the next time?
I don't mess with you. Who you think? What do you think? Of course I will mess. People like you I like to mess with.
You like to mess with me?
People like you.
Why?
You will know why later on.
Lady, you look like you're pregnant at all age. Go on where you go.
Yes, yes.
You look like you're pregnant on the wrong tube. Go on where you go.
We know. That is why people like you will like to schedule for another day. Have a blessed night.
You bless up, bless up, bless up. And remember to masturbate with the long nails.